Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to open a Metatrader 5 real account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go ahead and open Metatrader 5 on your PC, and then click on this person icon, and you can see it will take you to this Create an Account page. Go ahead and write down your email address in this box over here. After you write down your email address in this box, go ahead and write down your login name over here. After you write down your login name, click register. In a while, you can notice that an email address will be sent to you on your Google account or an email you have just entered. So go ahead and click on the mail and copy this login option. So copy the login name and copy your password, which is over here. So after you copy the login and password, go ahead and paste it in this box and click login. In a while, you can notice that you have now created a Metatrader 5 account for yourself. This is a real Metatrader 5 account, so you can start trading using Metatrader 5. And that's it. I hope this video about how you can create a real account on Metatrader 5 was helpful for you. Thanks.